Tax issues like liens, audits, and debt can be overwhelming and even embarrassing. But our guest today says it can happen to anyone.
Jason Wiggam, founding partner of Wiggam Law Firm, is here just ahead of tax season. Welcome, Jason. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. All right, let's start off with the basics here. What do you all do at Wiggam Law?
So Wiggam Law, we help individuals and businesses that have serious tax problems. They've received scary notices from the IRS. They're worried about their wages being garnished. The IRS are alleging that they owe tax debts they don't. And, that's a very stressful situation, and we provide peace of mind and help them resolve those issues.
Yeah, nothing more stressful than getting those texts, calls, emails. What are the most common tax problems that people are walking through your door with?
Sure, they have unfiled tax returns. They have a tax debt they've accrued due to no fault of their own. They're being audited and the IRS alleges they owe something that they don't. Or, they just have a problem that hasn't been resolved for many years they need to be taken care of with taxes.
Ooh, ouch. I know the ones that people have been avoiding for many years can really stack up and just be very daunting, when you're trying to approach something like that. Which is sometimes why people don't file. They skip it. Even though that deadline we all know, April 15th, what happens if people don't file, Jason?
So you should definitely file your taxes by the deadline. I want to make that really clear. The IRS charges penalties up to 50% of what you owe. So if you get to April 15th and you're not ready to file an extension. That gives you until October to file. Because if you don't, for some reason, seek help to help resolve that problem.
And what advice, as we're talking about that, what advice would you give to someone? What's that first step they should take should they be in trouble with the IRS or the Georgia Department of Revenue?
Don't ignore it. Take action. Contact a trusted professional like a tax attorney. And make sure you do something to resolve it. Don't ignore it.
Absolutely. All right, beautiful. Don't ignore it, everyone. And you can do that by booking a consultation.
Sure can. You can schedule that consultation today by visiting wiggamlaw.com or call 404-649-0393.